Structural engineers, you are most welcome. You can automate your most of the common and repetitive tasks in structural designing and drafting. This tool exactly for you. I want to automate complete column layout and footing also in just one time. Let this str. You will get column and footing. Click here. Input column width. Let this 140. Length 280. Select all. Enter. Now it gives you every intersections your complete column. Now providing footing. Offset. Let this 100 unit. Now you see here. Including footing layout and column layout all in one time with solid hatch and particular layer. Each object you are getting layer based. I want to place bar details, okay, for this column. Choose column bars, okay. Input detail scale. Then stirrups gap, your column to stirrups gap, okay, 15 unit. Fillet radius 7 unit. Select all. Let this vertical and choose bar side number of bars, okay. Now you see here you are getting each and every column with perfect bars and stirrups what you have provided. If you have bigger column, smaller column, it will adjust. It is just for reference. You can customize in many way, okay. You have vertical, choose scale, gap, radius, select your horizontal one, okay. Let this horizontal number of bars. So equally it will place your bars over the column with stirrups. I want to provide column detail, okay. Let this str. Choose this one, column detail, okay. Input text scale. Let this here 40 unit. Just select all and enter. When you enter, you will get column with length and width, okay. And it will identify any similar column. So we'll give same count and not limited to this. Just click here. So you are getting mark, count and size. If you have circular column, it will count circular column also with diameter, okay. So this way you can perfectly extract your complete column detail in just one time with mark. Beam footing. I want to place beam over the footing. Let this here. Beam footing. Select all. Input thickness, okay. Width. We'll keep 100 unit. Now you see here. It got connected. Your entire footing with beam, if you see here, in just one time. This way you can place your complete beam layout over the footing area. Okay, I want to place beam detail, okay. Let this one and choose your text scale. And it asks you depth, height, beam height, okay. One only. Select all. So it will filter only beam. Enter. So you will get each beam number. If anywhere identical, it will count one only. But in table, will give like this. You are getting mark, size and count. So similar beam, length, width and height. You are getting each perfectly in just one time. Automatic grid. We will provide automatic grid layout, okay. That this grid layout, it asks you scale factor, your text scale, okay. Let this 90. Now grid length, your length. Let this 6500 unit. Choose direction, vertical or horizontal, H for horizontal, right. Now click base point to start and now click like this. It will give count, grid line and dimensions also. You click anywhere, it will align perfectly dimension and count. Right click, you will get end-to-end dimension. Now asking you vertical or horizontal. Let this vertical. Choose base point and click here, here. So any base point you will click, it will perfectly place where you have chosen your first initial base point. And as this here, count, you are getting serial number, dimension equally. Enter one time. You want to make complete grid layout into block. Now you see here. So you are getting complete grid layout in just few seconds and can make block quickly inside this list function. So this complete structural panel you are getting in one frame. How you got this list protein? Okay, let me your comment. You can explore more than 400 plus advanced automation tasks that will save you hours of time. Saving time in AutoCAD is not easy game. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.